Good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. We started off Monday with unsettled weather already going on over parts of the Northwest and Free State and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. We also have quite a bit of fog over parts of the West Coast. Now this afternoon we are going to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms extending from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape into much of eastern South Africa. It's going to be mostly sunny, however, across the Limpopo province and over the western areas. But we have this cold front which is going to be driving quite a bit of cloud into the southern areas of the Eastern Cape, and yet another one which is set to hit the southwestern areas late tonight, introducing light rain and drizzle into these parts of South Africa. Now here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Monday. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast where you see the dark shade of blue over the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, the southern parts of the Free State and the southeastern sections of the Northern Cape. Isolated thunderstorms are forecast where you see the lighter shades of blue. Now we have a watch for severe thunderstorms across the eastern half of the Eastern Cape, the western parts of the Free State and the eastern parts of the Northern Cape. We also have a warning in place for high fire danger for the central areas of the Northern Cape, extending down into the northeastern sections of the Western Cape. We are going to see isolated thundershowers this Monday for much of the Northwest and the Gauteng province, maybe spilling into the western parts of the Mpumalanga province. It's going to be mostly sunny and hot across much of Limpopo. Very unsettled weather is forecast for the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, as well as the Free State, where top temperatures are going to reach the upper 20s and lower 30s. Thundershowers are also forecast along much of the East Coast, Durban and Port St. John's, peaking at around 28 degrees. Much cooler for Port Elizabeth, where it's going to be pretty breezy throughout your Monday. We are going to see isolated thundershowers around Graafrenet and Somerset East. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly sunny and warm to hot for the interior of the Western Cape. Highs in the lower 20s are forecast for the South Coast and the Southwest coastline. It's going to be fairly breezy around Cape Agulhas and the Jeffreys Bay area. We are expecting thundershowers for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape, sizzling hot for Abington, and a fairly comfortable 29 is forecast for Kimberley. Cooler for the western parts of the Northern Cape. Partly cloudy skies are forecast for Cape Town with a high of 23 degrees, and we're expecting swell heights of the west coast to average around 3.5 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest. On Tuesday, we stay with unsettled weather across eastern South Africa, light rain along the east coast, and it's going to be partly cloudy and dry for western South Africa.